Imagine you're holding a device that isn't just a phone, but a literal supercomputer that fits in your pocket. We've heard that marketing line before, right? Every year, Apple tells us the new iPhone is the most powerful ever. And every year, it's true. But as we sit here in 2026, something fundamentally different is happening. We are no longer talking about incremental updates. We are talking about a leap in physics. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is the first device in history to bring 2nm architecture to the palm of your hand. If you're a tech enthusiast, those words should give you chills. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you're not, let me put it this way. Apple is about to shrink the world's most advanced technology so small that it defies logic, all while giving you battery life and camera capabilities that make the DSLRs of 5 years ago look like toys. Welcome to the ultimate breakdown of the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Today, we aren't just looking at the leaked renders or the color options. We are going under the hood to see how the A20 Pro chip is changing the game, why the new variable aperture camera is the end of the line for traditional photography, and why the eSIM-only future is finally paying off in ways we didn't expect. If you've been holding on to your iPhone 15 or 16, wondering when the real upgrade was coming, this is it. The iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just another phone. It is the definitive moment where the smartphone as we know it evolves into its final, most powerful form. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the A20 Pro chip. For the last few years, the industry has been stuck on the 3nm process. It was fast, but it was hitting a thermal wall. The iPhone 18 Pro Max breaks through that wall with a 2nm process from TSMC. Why does this matter to you in the US? It's about efficiency. This chip is rumored to be 15% faster while using 30% less power. Think about your daily workflow. You're jumping between 4K video edits, heavy social media apps, and AI-driven tasks. On any other phone, the back starts to get hot, and the screen dims to protect the hardware. On the A20 Pro, that doesn't happen. The A20 Pro uses a new packaging technology called wafer-level multi-chip module. In plain English, Apple has moved the RAM directly onto the same wafer as the CPU and GPU. This creates a data highway so fast that latency effectively becomes zero. When you combine this with the rumored 12 GB of RAM, you get a device that never ever has to reload an app. You can have a professional video editing project open in the background, a high-end game like Resident Evil paused, and 50 tabs open in Safari, and the phone won't even blink. This is the unfair advantage of the 18 Pro Max. But the chip isn't just for speed, it's for Apple intelligence. In 2026, AI has moved from a gimmick to an essential part of the OS. The A20 Pro features a neural engine that is so powerful it can run complex large language models locally. No cloud, no internet required, no privacy concerns. Your Siri is now a genuine assistant that understands context, remembers your past conversations, and can execute multi-step tasks across different apps. It's like having a digital intern living inside your phone. Now, let's talk about the display and the dynamic island. There has been a lot of back and forth in the leaks. Some said FaceID